Welcome back to another F350 video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix that little bitty pain in the ass clutch rod type clip bushing that goes under your dash and hooks the clutch rod to your pedal. Sometimes that goes bad and your clutch rod will have movement in it and it will actually pop off. So it's something you need to attend to. As I said before, it's located under your dash. So let's go under a dash here and try to find it. We need to find the clutch pedal, which is right here. Go up and there will be a rod attached to it. Once you find your clutch pedal, you can follow it all the way over. It's got a shaft, if you can see. Let's see. Right here. This part right here. It comes all the way across to here. To right there, and that's a bushing. A bushing actually pops off quite often. I got it wedged on though right now, but we're gonna have to just like so. It needs replaced, and that's what we're gonna have to do. Replace it. So go ahead and remove it. It just pops off. That's the part number we are using on this. As I said before, it's pretty well Ford parts, genuine Ford parts, and we are going to be installing it. It had an aftermarket clip on it, so this is the one we needed. A lot of people messes up installing these clips. They go ahead and set it on the shaft here, and then they snap this place in right here. Well, you don't need to do that technically. You don't, for a couple of reasons. Reason number one is that ain't the way to do it, and I just dropped that. The way to install this clip is to actually put it in here first. And they actually upgrade where you can change that whole shaft and stuff out. Once you get it clipped in, here just in the shaft, you want to hook it up to your pedal, which can take a little effort, especially if it's new, and then snap it in place. And then it will pop once it goes. So let's try. And those popped in place. It clips on that lip right there. The aftermarket ones don't hold on the way it should. So that's the reason it's always best to go back with factory parts. And it's installed and it's clipped on. It looks good. I ain't tested it yet, but it should do great. It should, technically. And again, that's that part number in case you guys need it. These aftermarket ones, they're okay, but I would have just used a factory Ford one, especially on these Super Duties and stuff. Aftermarket parts, the quality is questionable on these diesels, so a lot of times OEM's the best way to go. So that's pretty much got this video done on the F350 Power Stroke. There's still tons more coming to this video, tons more to do, tons more needs to be done, but we have got a ton of stuff done to it already if you've been following my videos. And it helps us make how-to videos and be helpful to other people. So it's a win-win. So if you like this video and found it helpful, drop a like. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. And hit that subscribe button to show your support for my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.